All right, y'all, there is the final coat of the Osmo Polyx on there. So she'll be cured up tomorrow, and hopefully delivery will be Sunday. Look at that. Look at some of that figuring. Doesn't that look something? I wish that light wasn't shining on it like it is, but look at that. Just a very faint hint of blue in that epoxy. Look at that though. Isn't that beautiful? Get the legs mounted tomorrow. Everything's already gotten done on the back. You guys all saw that already. Then we'll get this sucker delivered. All right, y'all have a good night.